Hello everyone, I am Revathi. I am working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss the topic about SQL. What is meant by SQL? Structured Query Language is a standard database language that is used to create, maintain, and retrieve the relational database. SQL is case insensitive, but it is a recommended practice to use keywords like select, update, create, etc. in capital letters, and user defines things like table names, column names, etc. in small letters. What is relational database? A relational database means the data is stored as well as retrieved in the form of relations. That means tables. Advantages of SQL. Faster query processing. Large amount of data is retrieved quickly and efficiently. Operations like insertion, deletion, manipulation of data is also done in almost no time. No coding skills. For data retrieval, large number of lines of code is not required. All basic keywords such as select, insert into, update are used, and also the syntactic rule are not complex in SQL. Next one is portable. It can be used in program in PCs, servers, laptop, independent of any platform. Also, it can embedded with other applications as per need, requirement or use. Next one is interactive language. Easy to learn and understand. Answers to complex questions can be received in seconds. Next one is multiple data views. One of the advantages of SQL is its ability to provide multiple data views. This means that SQL allows users to create different views or perspectives of the data in database depending upon their needs and permissions. Next one is scalability. SQL database can handle large volumes of data that can be scaled up or down as per the requirements of the application. Next one is security. SQL databases have built-in security features that help protect data from unauthorized access such as user authentication, encryption, and access control. Next one is data integrity. SQL databases enforce data integrity by enforcing constraints such as unique keys, primary keys, and foreign keys, which help prevent data duplication and maintain data accuracy. Next one is backup and recovery. SQL databases have built-in backup and recovery tools that help recover data in case of system failures, crashes, or any other disasters. Next one is data consistency. SQL databases ensure consistency of data across multiple tables through the use of transactions, which ensure the changes made to the table are reflected in all the related tables. Parts of SQL. DDL. DDL means Data Definition Language. DML means Data Manipulation Language. DQL denotes a Data Query Language. DCL denotes Data Control Language. TCL denotes Transaction Control Language. Then view definitions, embedded SQL and dynamic SQL. Then integrity, authorization. These are all the part of the SQL. What are SQL data types? SQL data type defines the kind of data that can be stored in a column of a table. For example, numbers, text, date, etc. Here, some of the data types listed here. Tiny int, syntax for a tiny int, age, tiny int. Then size for a tiny int data type, 1 byte integer. Next one is small int data type. Count small int is the syntax for a small int. 2-byte integer is the size. Next one is medium int data type. Syntax for medium int, views medium int. 3-byte integer is the size. Int or integer data type. Syntax for int id space int or id space integer. Size 4-byte integer. Next one is big int data type. Syntax for big int salary big int. Then size 8-byte integer. Then decimal data type decimal p comma s. Then syntax for decimal price. Decimal price is the column name. Decimal is the data type name. 10 comma 2. This is a fixed point with precision and scale. 10 is the precision and 2 is the scale. Then next one is float data type. Percentage float. Percentage float. Then this is the floating point number. Next one is double data type. Score double. Score is the column name. Double is the data type. Double precision floating point number. Thank you.